Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I want to show you a great application for movies and TV shows. A lot of links, 4K resolution, works great. And I'll show you how to install the player as well for this application. So there's a media player that it requires to play the movies and TV shows, and I'll show you all that. Not only will you get this best application for movies and TV shows, I think is incredible, especially for high definition stuff, but you're also going to get full access to my online store. And in this store, you'll get applications for pay-per-view, sports, live TV, all that events, and my store has been just updated, and I got lots of great stuff coming for you. Okay, so follow this along and that will get you loaded. I'll show you the application that I'm going to install, and then I'll show you all the other applications and how to find them in my store and who get unlimited access to my store always. Okay, so let's get into this. I just started up my Fire Stick and I'm logged in here with my email and I'm connected to the internet. The first step you need to do to install third-party apps on your Fire Stick is by simply going to the gear icon, settings here. And once you're there, you want to follow by going to My Fire TV or My Device. Once there, simply go to the About menu, okay? You may not see developer options. I have it on, but I'll show you how to turn it on. So just click on About if you don't have developer options. Now you'll see your device name. Click on your device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how it says no need? You're already a developer. But when you do this for the first time, it'll say now you are a developer. So when I click back, you can see that I have developer options now. Great. We can proceed to the next step. So just going to hit home. And on this step, while you're there, you're just going to go to find and you're going to go to search. Click into the search box and all you have to do is search for an application called Downloader. So I'm going to use the Alexa, but you can also type it in and search for Downloader. Downloader. Now, Downloader is an application. It's going to allow us to get the unlinked application and give you access to the store. So when you see the Downloader application, simply click on that, okay? And then click on the download button. What's going to happen, Downloader is going to download and it's going to install. Once it installs, we're not going to open it up yet. We have a couple of steps to do as well. So just let it install and don't press open. When it installs, you'll get a notification. All I want you to do is hit the home button. Okay. Once you do that, you'll see an icon here. But now you're going to go to settings and you're going to go to My Device or My Fire TV. And remember, we turned on developer options. You're going to go inside of developer options and you're going to click on Install Unknown Apps. You're going to find Downloader and you're going to take it to the on position just like that. Once you do that, press 1 back and press 1 more back and press 1 more back and 1 more back to go to the main Fire Stick menu. After you do that, there's one more last step we need to do. Okay, you're going to go to Find, click on the search, click into the search box and simply search for an application called IPVanish. This one we'll have to type it in. And I'll explain everything in detail. What exactly are we doing here and how this is all going to work with our application and with other applications if we ever get them, okay, in the future. So IPVanish, search for it like that. And when you see it, you'll see 94,000 reviews, 4 out of 5 stars. Click on the VPN logo here, the IPVanish, and click download. So what is a VPN going to do? It's going to give us full access to the unlinked store. We're going to be able to get this application with the updates and all that stuff. We're going to get more links in 4K to 4K movies, 2K movies, 4K TV shows. We're going to get all that by running a VPN. We're going to get more links to those movies. Not only that, we're going to get access to GeoBlock Sports, GeoBlock pay-per-views, live television apps, and all those applications. I have over 60 applications in my store. This is going to unlock all of them, including this application I'm showing you, and give you access to the store. Internet service providers have been blocking links and blocking access to the unlinked store. But a VPN is going to allow us to get around that. So let's open it up and you'll come up with a screen like this. And it'll ask you to log in with your own email and your own password. So for full transparency, there is a cost. It's a few dollars a month. That's how much it costs. It's a cup of coffee at Starbucks a month. That's how much it costs. Through this barcode here and this affiliate link here, also in the pinned comment description, you're going to get 70% off. That means it's going to cost you, I believe, less than $4 per month. That's how much it's going to cost you, okay? Less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. And it's going to be, you can use this on unlimited devices, unlimited Fire Sticks. So if you have 10 Fire Sticks in your house, you can use it on them. You can use it on your phone. You can use it on your tablet, works on Android, iOS, iPhones, works on Fire Sticks, works on Android boxes, works on NVIDIA Shields, works on all of them. This is why I prefer to use IPVanish. One account covers your entire household. You can put on 20 devices and still use it. Okay, so you can pause the video because I'm going to log in with mine, and then I'm going to show you how to get full access to the Unlinked when you're running the IPVanish VPN, and how to get access to my favorite app. Okay, so I'm going to log in with my username and password, but you can pause the video and you can go to this barcode, scan it with your phone, or you can go to this bit.ly link, also in the pinned comment description. That's going to take you to a landing page where you choose your package, less than $5 a month with my affiliate link, 70% off. Going to get you covered, protected, and you're going to be able to stream anonymously and get full access to the Unlinked store. It's amazing. It works great. I always use a VPN to stay protected and to stay safe. So pause the video, take care of this now. Once you get your username and password, you get an email from IPVanish, confirm that email, and then log in with your own email and password. So if you need to sign up for that, so then we can proceed to the next steps. I'll log in and then I'll show you how you would proceed to the next step while you signed into your own account, okay, from the links here. Okay, once you log into your own account, all you have to do is go to the gear icon when you see this screen, say connect on Android Startup. That's going to allow the VPN to be on. Every time you start up your Fire Stick or your device, the VPN will automatically connect to your favorite server. So now, once we do that and say connect Android Startup, click back and simply go to the location icon here. Once you're there, go to countries and scroll all the way to the United States, okay? Once you're in the United States, all you have to do, highlight over it, click on it, and say favorite United States. Okay, let's do that. That's going to put a star on it, yellow star. Click on it again and say connect to United States. This is going to come up. You're going to press the OK button on that, and the screen is going to flicker, and you're going to be connected and fully protected. So that's available at 70% off through my affiliate links. I partner with them to give you guys that specific best deal, okay? Once you do that, you're protected and you're safe. Press the home button, and now we can proceed to the next step. So the next step, we're going to open up Downloader. In our first step, we downloaded it. Once Downloader opens up, you're going to press the OK button. Click one up, yellow little box here, highlight it, and just put in here Unlinked. Okay, .link is what we're going to put in. Just like that. Let's put in unlinked.link. Once you put that in, just press the go button here, okay? Now you can see I have a cursor, red cursor. I can move it around. I'm going to move it down to download APK Android, and I'm going to click on that. That's going to proceed by downloading the Unlinked application. Give it a minute, and we should see a pop-up. When we click on this button, the pop-up will come up, and we'll start downloading. Once it finishes downloading, we'll come up with this. You want to press the install button, but please don't press the open button. Press the done button, okay? Once you finish, press the done button. There's a last step we have to do. So I'm going to press the done button, press the delete button, followed by the delete button, and press the home button here. And what's going to happen now? Unlinked is installed, and Downloader is here, and our IPVanish connection is enabled. What we're going to do is go to the gear icon here, settings. One last step, my Fire TV, developer options again, install unknown apps again, and turn on the Unlinked permissions. Once you do that, press back, press back, press back, press back, followed by back again to go to the main Fire Stick menu. Now we can safely start up Unlinked with our IPVanish running. We're going to start up Unlinked. If you don't have access or you have an error, please make sure your IPVanish is on. Press the new library. This cursor will blink. You'll click into it and you'll put in Fire Stick, lowercase, okay? Now, something very important is going to happen. When I put in Fire Stick, lowercase, just like this, you want to press the next button, okay? Let's press the next button. And you'll notice once I press the next button, a pop-up screen will come up. And this screen will give you the best applications for February, all the updates, all the best apps, all working February 2025 now. But I do these videos every month, so you'll see March, you'll see April. I update the screen every week, so it doesn't matter when you're watching this video, you'll still get the newest applications, okay? I would recommend, if you're doing this on a Fire Stick, to take a picture of your phone of this screen that's going to tell you the best apps to use, okay? Then you're going to press the enter button to enter my store. If you don't see an enter button, that is completely fine. You want to click the back arrow to exit the store and click on the unlinked again, and that's going to automatically put you back into my store. So you'll see new tech apps like that. You want to click on that category, new tech apps, and that's going to enable all the apps here. And you're going to see every single app here. So now you can scroll up and down, left to right, to get all the best applications. So the application we're going to get today is TTV, but you can scroll to the free live TV section, sports. You can get over 60 applications, okay? So we're going to scroll down to the media players, add free media players for TTV. And we're going to scroll to the T player right here, okay? We're going to click on the T player, and we're going to press the download button. As you see, it downloads the T player so fast, and it installs it. And it's so fast to get the apps here. So as you can see, when it downloads it, I'll show you how easy it is to install an app. Just press install app, and this will install the T player for our TTV application. Screen will flicker when we press the install, and we'll go back to the store, and we're pretty much done, okay? Now, let's scroll down, and let's go to the movies and TV show apps section, and I have many here, but the one I'm going to show today to you is the TTV. Scroll to TTV, highlight it, click on it, and press the download button. What's going to happen is going to download TTV, and then we just have to press the install button, okay? Very easy to do. Let's press the install, and press install, and then it will install TTV. That's how easy it is to do. You can get so many other applications, so if you just scroll up and down, you'll see I have many sections, Fire Stick tools as an example here, but you can scroll up and down, left to right, to load more than 50 applications, okay? Don't forget, throughout this entire process, I had my VPN on. I'll show you. We installed TTV and T-Player. So for this entire process, I had my VPN on for 5 minutes when I'm downloading these applications, okay? Now, ISPs are blocking this, so make sure you get that VPN, and then you have access to all these apps and all the updates and everything else that you want to get from my store. If you haven't connected yet and haven't taken advantage of my discount, it's a latte at Starbucks per month, less than $5, unlimited devices. Please scan this barcode or go to this bit.ly link, also in the pinned comment description. That link is there. You can sign up for an account, and you'll get access, unlimited access to all these apps and all these movies and TV shows, sports, and all that without any blockage whatsoever. Okay, so take care of that if you haven't. And also, it keeps you protected and keeps you anonymous. So that's available here. Okay, so once you install TTV and T-Player, you just can start up T-Player. And when you start it up, make sure you press the allow access. You only have to do this once, and press the allow access again. And it'll say no content on your device, which is fine. Now, if you go home and then you start up TTV, but for presentation purposes on YouTube, I'm not going to be starting it up. You would just start up TTV, and then you would explore all the sections, and you'll get movies in 4K definition, 2K definitions, TV show, without any issues. When you're running the VPN, you'll get 4K links, and you can enjoy 4K high definition content. This is one of my favorite apps, and I love this app, okay? So if this has worked for you, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being here. One last thing I want to ask you, if you can drop a comment below. I haven't put a pin lock in my store yet, but if I do put a pin lock in the future, because people have been knocking off on taking my content and, you know, getting the apps and all that stuff and making videos on my store. So I might put a pin lock, like a 4-digit pin, to get into my store. But below this video, if you comment on this video, I'll reply with that pin lock. I haven't locked my store yet, but the people that comment below, I'll reply with the pin lock underneath this video. So make sure it's very important to comment. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for a donation. The greatest thing you can do is just comment below this video. You can say anything. You know, what's your favorite team? What's your favorite, NBA football team? Whatever you watch, hockey team, whatever. What city and town you're representing? Where are you from? What's your name? What's your favorite food? Any comment, and I'll reply with the pin lock if I do that in the future. Also, follow me on X. I'm going to throw up a lot of updates on X. You're going to find a lot of updates, a lot of things going on X. So follow me on X. You're going to find a lot of information there. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support, and have a wonderful, beautiful day. And I'll see you all in the next video, and tell me how you love TTV and how this whole setup worked out for you. And don't forget, you can always go back to Unlinked and get more apps at any time. Just make sure your IP vanish is on. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and see you all in the next video. Take care.